Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Book Warriors. As we know, books are our real friends. Books gives us knowledge and fill us with strength and calmness. So today in this video we will discuss about the book As a Man Thinketh. As a Man Thinketh book was written by James Allen and this book is published in 1903. James Allen was famous for philosophy and he is a philosophical writer. Now we will discuss about the lessons that I had learned from this book is these lessons improve your mind as well as your body. The first lesson that I had learned from this book is that every action has a hidden seeds of thoughts in us. Means it means the roots of every happiness and sadness is only in our thoughts. James Allen written in this book as the plant springs from seed and it could not be grow without the seed. So every act of a man springs from the hidden seeds of his thoughts. Every action has a hidden seeds of his thoughts in us. The second thing that I had learned from this book is that effect of thoughts on our circumstances. Thoughts plays very important role in our mind and body. Every human's external circumstances are associated with his internal circumstances. If he realizes the internal strength of his circumstances, then he will actually know circumstances are the only results of his thoughts. The third lesson that I had learned from this book is that how our thoughts affect on health and our body. Our health also depends on our thoughts. For example, if the two persons are ill and are in the same hospital, one gets discharged earlier than the other because of the thought process of the first person who discharged earlier. Because his thoughts are stronger than his health and he thinks powerful thoughts that he will discharged earlier and get well soon earlier. The fourth lesson that I had learned from this book is that earn peace of mind. James Allen had written in this book that wishes and prayers are only gratified and answered when they harmonized with his thoughts and actions. In our mind, the thoughts are disordered, but if the thoughts are ordered in a correct way, then we can earn peace of mind. The fifth lesson that I had learned from this book is that lazy thoughts indulges the person into uncleanliness and lie thoughts. And next lesson is that self-control makes a person good and clean. If we control ourselves like we control ourselves in discipline and we do our work daily in discipline, then we can automatically becomes good and our personality also becomes good. The next lesson that I had learned is that the thinking of hard work and efforts leads to actions. Means if a person controls his thoughts and automatically he can control his actions. So start controls on your thoughts with positive mindset and achieve what you can. That's all in this video. We will meet in next video soon. Get knowledge and stay motivated with me. This channel is Book Warriors YouTube channel. Please like this video so I can also get inspired for making these kinds of videos.